page. All right. Subtracting mixed numbers. Okay. All right. Do the first one together. You put it up here, please. Oh, you pay for it. Come on, man. Stop. 9 and 8/10 minus 3 and 2/5. Okay. Let's give this a shot. All right. What's the first thing we're going to do? Any ideas? Couple ways to do these. What I would do is just take out the 9 and the 3 for right now. Put them aside. So we have 9 minus 3 over here. And then we just have 8/10 minus 2/5. Okay. This is just like we did yesterday. What can I change, or what can I do to make them both the same number on the bottom? What can I change it to? Got a 5 and a 10. Not a 3. What can I change it to? Well, I could do 50. That's too big, though. Make it easy on yourself. Can I change a 5 into a 10? Yeah, just change them both to 10. Right. How do I change a 10 times 1? So this one's going to stay the same. Then over here, how do I change a 5 into a 10? 5 times what? 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 2 times 2 is 4. So now I have 8/10, take away 4/10. Can I do that? So they have the same denominators? Stop. 8 take away 4 is 4/10. So we're done with our fractions. How about up top? What is 9 take away 3? So 6 and 4/10. Can I reduce that? 5 by 2. 6 and 2/5. Is there another way to go about that? Yes, there is. There is a harder way to go about that. We won't get into that right now. What's up? Look at this next one. 8 and 2/4 minus 3 1/2. Can I change a 2 into a 4? Look at it. 1/2. What does that equal to? You guys listening or no? No. 2/4. If you wanted to, you could make this 3 and 2/4, right? Because 1/2 and 2/4 are the same. 8 and 2/4 minus 3 and 2/4 is 8 minus 3 is, it's 8 take away 3. Stop, man. 5. 2/4 take away 2/4 is 0. So it's just a big 5, people.
Whoa.
The answer is 5.
You're so smart.
Mhm. Oh my God.
actually am. Give me answers.
All right, let's try the next one.
7.
Get out a pencil. You can't do these in your head. You worry about you. How about that? Dagan worries about Dagan.
You know that? You should be pregnant.
All right. Two times 4. Two times 4. Come on. Plus 2. 10 over 4 times 3 times 4. No. Just what is 3 times 4? 12 plus 3. 12. 15 on top, 4 on the bottom. You're multiplying those two. So 10 times 15 and 4 times 4. All right, so what do? I know you don't know because you're talking. Stop talking. 6 and 1, I'll put them aside. Now I have 3/4 minus 2/3. What can a 3 and a 4, what do they have in common? 3 and a 4, we'll change them to 12. Right? How do I change a 4 into a 12?
Let's do this.
What are you doing? Stop. Why are you doing 4 times 15? 10 times 15 is 150. 4 times 4 is what? 16. Multiply. 16 into 150.
Divide that. Use my calculator.
16 times 7. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's too small. 16, 9. 144. 9, remainder 6. 9 and 6 sixteenths. Divide by 2. 9 and 3/8. It is a lot of work.
Yeah, I'm good.
How do you turn a 4 into a 12? 4 times what? 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 3 times 3 is.
I smell beer.
3 times 3 is.
That smells good.
3 times 3 is 9. 3 what is 12? 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 9, 12, take away 8, 12 is. I'm not talking to you. You do your work. Don't worry about their work. 2 times 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 plus 1. 9 take away 8 is. 1 over 12. 6 take away 1 is 5. 5 and 1, 12. You all right, Zach? You know what you're doing? You know what you're doing? Yay, nay? Okay. You guys know what you're doing? Not a clue. Well, maybe you should turn around and watch, right? Yeah, you should. All right, let's see what we got. Where are we at? Number 4, 8 and 6/10 minus 4 1/2. Okay. Take the 8 and the 4 out. And we just have 6/10 minus 1/2. So what am I going to do? What can I change the bottoms to so they are the same? What be 3/5? If you reduce, you don't have to reduce it yet. Just leave it. Let's change them both into 10. That one stays. How do I change a 2 into a 10? Times 5. 1 times 5. 5. So now I have 6/10 minus 5/10 is 110. And then up top, 8 take away 4 is 4. 4 and 1/10. 2 times 1. Plus, all right, so you got this one. So you got 3, 2 times 3, 2. 3 times 3. 2 times 2. How many times does 4 go in the 9?
No, wait,
2. 2 remainder 1, 2 and 1/4. It's the easiest one you're going to get, man.
Yeah, man. I smell beer.
Oh, my. All right, next one. 9 2/3 minus 1.5. Change them into 6s, please. Change the bottoms into 6. Two-thirds minus 1/2. Very easy. Very easy. I said change them into 6. Three times 3 plus 1. 3 times 2 plus 1. 10 times 7. 3 times 3. How many times does 9 go into 70? Good. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 remainder 7. 7 and 7 ninths. Good job, Landon. What do you got? 13, 3, 8. Come on. You got a pencil, Dagan? What's up? All right.
Yeah, there's like 2 times more.
Bottom times the side, add the top. All right, so how do I turn it, Blaze? How do I turn a 3 into a 6? Times 2. Stop, man. 2 times 2 was, how do I turn a 2 into a 6? Times 3. So now I have 4, 6 minus 3, 6, which is 1, 6. Up top, 9, take away 1 is 8. 8 and 1, 6. All right, which one? 9 4/5 minus 3.5. Take my 9 and my 3 out. 4/5 minus 1/2. What am I going to change the bottoms into? What do 2 and 5 have? 12, 13. Oh, you're still on that one. 104, but no. 10. Good. Nice. All right, so how do I turn a 5 into a 10? Times 2. Whatever I do to the bottom on that side, I do to the top. 4 times 2. What are you doing? Turn around, man.
He's busy me
How do I turn a 2 into a 10? 2 times 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 1 times 5 is 5. 8, 10, take away 5, 10 is very nice. 9, take away 3 is 6 and 3 tenths. What'd you get? 11, remainder 5. That's 9 goes 10, 1 time, 1 down, 14, 1 time, 5, 11 remains. So 11 and 5 ninths. Yeah, nice. Good job. Nice. Good job, Landon. What's up? 6 over, wait, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8, over 3. 3 times 1, plus 1, 4 over 3. There you go.
Is that it?
Well, then you multiply them together. All right. Where are we at? 6 3/4 minus 2 1/2. Take out the 6 and 2. All right, I have a 4 and a 2. 4 and 2. What am I going to change the bottoms into? Could do 8. Is there anything smaller? Not 5. Not 3. Change them to 4s, right? Keep that one. 2 times 2, so 1 times 2. So I have 3, 4 minus 2, 4 is 1, 4. 6 take away 2, 4. 4 1/4. 4 1/4. So what do we got? 32.
Times 9.
Why? No, 32 on top, 9 on the bottom.
Yeah.
How many times does 9 go into 32? 3 remainder 5. 3 and 5 nines. You can do this, man. All right, where are we at?
Number 8.
Number 8. 9 3/4 minus 4 2/3. All right, I'm going to set you guys up for this one, and then you're going to do it. 9 take away 4, and then we have 3/4 minus 2/3. Okay? So 4 and 3, what are you going to change the bottoms to? Who's it?
Four plus times 3.
No, 2 times 4 plus 3.
Plus 3, 9, 11.
So 11 over 4
Over 4.
times,
9.
what is 2 times 2? Plus 1. So 5 over 2.
Over 2.
11 times 5. 55.
Right there. 4
Four.
times 2 is 8.
So put the 8 under it. Now you're dividing 8 into 55. 8 goes into 55 how many times? 6 times. Well, set it up. Make your division. Put the 8 outside, the 55 inside. So 8 times 6 is 48. Put your 48 down and subtract. What are you gonna get? 7?
Yeah.
So 6 remainder 7. So 6 and 7/8. And then 7 on top, 8 on the bottom. All right. So how do I turn a 4 into a 12? 4 times what is 12? 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, do to the 3 times 3 is good. Do I turn a 3 into a 12? Times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 9, 12, take away 8, 12 is, and 9 take away 4 is 5 and 1/12. You got it? Nice.
Keep rolling.
All right, number 9. 6 and 2/10
Whoa, buddy.
minus 3 1/3. I'm going to take out my 6 minus 3. 2/10 minus 1/3. What am I going to change my bottoms to? 10 and 3. What's that? 30? Change them to 30. There you go. Change them to 30. You got your work done? You got your pass? Why don't you have your pass?
I didn't get one yet.
Well, what about the one from the first quarter?
I had it somewhere. Maybe find later. There you go. Follow that.
What'd I do? What the hell did I do with it? I had the whole. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I can't hold on to anything. Oh. No, that's not your pass. 10, 4.
What?
No, she's not. She's very good.
All right, so let's see what we got. How do I turn a 10 into a 30? 10 times. How do I turn a 10 into a 30? Times 3. Good. 2 times 3 is 6. How do I turn a 3 into a 30? 3 times what? 10. 1 times 10 is 10. So 630 take away 1030. Can we do that? That's a problem, isn't it? Yeah. What you have to do in this case, go up to your 6, make it a 5, and 30 over 30, right? 30 over 30 is a 1. So I'm going to add that 30 over 30 to my 6. So now I'm going to have 36 over 30 minus 10 over 30, which is 36. Take away 10. Anyone? 26 over 30. And we go back up top. Now it's not a 6, it's a 5. 5 take away 3 is 2. 26 over 30. Can we reduce that? Yes. Cut them both in half. 2 13/50. 2 and 13/50. That's the only problem with getting rid of your whole numbers right in the beginning. Sometimes you got to borrow. All right. Blaze, you want to talk us through this last one here?
I know you're smart.
8 4/5 minus 2 1/3. We'll put the 8 and the 2 aside. 4/5 minus 1/3. All right. 5 and 3. What can I turn them into?
Please.
Oh. All right. 15 is correct. Blaze, how do I turn a 5 into a 15? Whatever I do to the top, bottom, I do to the top. 4 times 3 is? Good. How do I turn a 3 into a 15? How do I turn a 3 into a 15? Times 5. 1 times 5 is? 12, 15. Take away 5, 15 is? 7, 15. 8 take away 2 is? 6. 6 and 7, 15. You guys good? All right. You can put that in your binder, please. 6 and 7, 15. So I'll put this on Google Classroom.